Hi, I'm Mark Sullivan, and we're going to learn how to adjust a door which is hitting the floor or incorrectly hung. So this is how we're going to adjust a door. Now, I have apartments, and I have a lot of doors in all the apartments that I own and manage and repair. The primary defect with this door is that it is hitting the wooden floor. I believe that this door needs to be trimmed off. Now, in general, you do not adjust the floor or the threshold. Generally, you will adjust the door. It appears, so the first thing you're going to do is, what kind of door is it? Okay, this is a wooden door. It is, I believe, mahogany veneer. It is old. You can see, it's probably, I don't know. Hard to tell. It's over 50 years old. So it appears to be hitting in this general area because I can see the marks on the floor where it has been scraping. It appears also to be hitting in a couple of other areas here. So I think what we're going to do next is I'm going to look under the door and see what areas it's hitting in. Also, what you can do is take a piece of paper, which I just found conveniently here, and slip it under the door and see where it's hitting. You can kind of feel, this area feels pretty clear, and then we get out to this area and it's definitely binding in this area, and I can't even move the paper. So it looks like from about this area to this area it's hitting pretty bad. The rest of it is also pretty close, so we may trim the bottom of that.